Lost Aaron over by the flamingos again. There he is. Loves flamingos. I didn't even realize you loved flamingos so much.
I don't.
Oh, you don't? You're just taking pictures of them?
I'm waiting for the damn coaster to come.
This is my second favorite Busch Gardens park.
Out of the two.
Out of the two. If there were three, this would probably still be my second. It's hot, but not too bad. There's cloud coverage. It's a little breezy. So
Bearable.
let's see what we can get into. It looks like Falcon's flight is running today. That's a drop tower I've never been on, so hopefully we get on it today.
Oh.
Chicken pesto panini from the Tap House. What's it called, Tap House?
Spring.
Oh, see, you're worse than me.
Spring Tap House.
Spring Tap House. It's a cute little bar in Busch Gardens. Iced coffee, of course. We haven't even rode anything yet. We're just trying to acclimate to the weather and eat. Lost Aaron over by the flamingos again. There he is. Loves flamingos. I didn't even realize you loved flamingos so much.
I don't.
Oh, you don't? You're just taking pictures of them?
I'm waiting for the damn coaster to come.
You're waiting on the what?
But look at all them. Look at all them with their flock of flamingos.
Yeah.
Because I guess it's not a flock of seagulls.
I think they're pretty. I hate birds.
I mean,
but
they are
flamingos
pretty,
are
but
attractive. We are arriving at the Kangaroo. Are you ready to meet some kangaroo?
I guess I'm gonna box them.
They're babies. Please don't box.
Yeah, well, that's the only ones I can win.
I'll punch a manatee.
Yeah, I know you're waiting.
You touch a kangaroo, I'll touch a manatee.
Okay.
All right.
Bet.
He is pretty feisty. He's got a big personality, but he loves food. So we're gonna just go ahead and feed our swans today. Now these guys are herbivores, so they only eat plant material. They might eat a bug here or there, but it's mostly plant material. They are monogamous, so that means they mate for life.
Mm-hmm.
So that
All
is
right, hold on. Break your lettuce. Break your lettuce.
Come on, baby.
Good.
It's coming.
Core it.
I did. It's right there. Just the whole thing over here?
Yeah, give it to him.
Oh my gosh. All right. Go get it.
There you go, buddy.
Look at that. Curbside delivery, bruh.
He's so cute.
DoorDash.
What we do now is we're gonna kind of enter through our exit, and we're just gonna kind of walk around towards the front. I'm gonna blab at you because I have to.
Yeah,
that's
sure.
part of my job. They're in the same family macropod, which means Bigfoot, but they're different species. Pretty much, she is a small kangaroo.
Yeah.
That's her full size.
Little baby.
A normal wallaby is gonna be brown. She's just albino. She's got really good sleep. She's twitching right now. She's been good.
Yeah.
One day.
Hi, baby. Hi. Oh, you're so cute.
Yeah, it goes right for that sweet potato.
And where's the mamas?
Right
Where's
for the sweet
mamas?
potato.
I can show you the world. Hey, Jasmine. Oh, she is. Hi, Jasmine. This is Rupa? Hey, Roops. You want to do it? In the cup. There you go. There you go. I know. I don't have none of the good stuff in there. They only let you have 2 sweet potatoes a day. You know that, girlfriend. Oh. Wow. She's like a dryer sheet.
She's stupid.
Thank you. It's hot as hell, and it's finally time to ride something. We've been here for a few hours. We didn't ride anything yet. We met up with our friends, the Blusiast, and we're going to take over SheiKra. What's it called? Thank you. We're going to take over SheiKra in just a minute. I think while we wait for the weather, it'll be a good idea to go into this Moto Motion show and check this out. I love a good show. It's 5 p.m. and we still haven't ridden a ride, but we've seen and done so much.
Everything is weighing on JT's response.
Oh my God.
Tomorrow, see what you see.
How's he gonna get down?
Final showdown in history.
Huh?
You're gonna get down. You got a little ramp down there.
Yeah,
This is gonna jump off?
he does it. Unbelievable. Two heroes. Two heroes. JT! Hey, lady.
We're approaching one of our favorite sections.
Jangala.
Jangala. I'm gonna ride Falcon's Fury. It's been a lifetime dream for me. Because it's always closed when I come down here.
Get it while you can.
Yeah. I wanted to get on it.
Well, you getting on it now. You want it. Enjoy it.
You could be on it.
Yeah, well, I didn't feel like it. It's not the right time for me.
God, thank you.
That was actually a lot of fun. I didn't know it was going to do all that.
Got him.
We're gonna check out the all-new Phoenix Rising, and I'll let you know if it's better than Big Bad Wolf. The Wolf Returns.
We'll see.
So this is sickening. So Phoenix Rising is a brand new credit for me. So I went in my credit tracker app, coaster count, and I'm in line, I'm next in line. So I'm like, all right, let me mark that I rode this coaster. So Aaron goes, no, you didn't ride it. And
I say you didn't write it yet.
you're not mic'd up, so it doesn't matter what you say.
Oh, they heard me.
No, they didn't.
Yeah, they did.
No, they didn't. So Aaron said, no, you didn't ride it. And it goes down. So I may not ride it. I might have to delete it in order for the ride to start working again.
Baby.
Look at the elephants. So big. It is thundering and lightning. I'm just waiting for the sky to explode so it can cool down this hot Florida day. All the coasters are down.
Again, but at least we got that Phoenix.
Exactly. Hello, McCall.
Quit chewing on that.
Bad.
You're gonna ruin your teeth. Bluebird.
I'm totally scared of that, but it is beautiful.
Yeah, he a big one. Is that one of them, what's it called?
What do you mean? What is it, a parrot? I don't know.
One of them, what's it called?
A parrot? Take it. Is this another sloth?
Yeah.
Yeah. My friend Tyler seems to think that Busch Gardens Williamsburg is a theme park with animals, but Busch Gardens Tampa is a zoo with rides.
Yeah.
I think Tampa has like a lot of rides.
A zoo with rides. You can say the same thing for Great Adventure then.
Yeah, but Great Adventure, they got the animals outside in the yard. And you know, those Great Adventure animals are all drugged up.
Well, still, that's a zoo with some rides.
I don't think so.
Well, it ain't a theme park.
Great Adventure is definitely an amusement park. I don't know. What do you think?
It's
Do
an
you think
amusement
that
park. It's not a theme park.
But to answer the question, do you think that Tampa is more of a zoo with rides? or do you
Nah.
think that it's a
I think
theme
it's
park
more
as
of
well?
I think it's a full habitat of
Yeah,
rides
it's like
and animals.
it's well rounded. They have a big coaster collection.
It's kind of
and
like going to I mean, akin to how Disney does
Animal Kingdom.
like Animal Kingdom.
Yeah,
You
exactly.
have they're incorporated.
Yeah.
It's a blend, a synergy of
Yeah, but the
rides
coaster
and-
collections here are just as good as Williamsburg. Williamsburg has less animals because it's cold.
Yeah, because it's cold.
And then they got those kind of animals like wolves,
yeah,
birds,
wolves.
eagles, that kind of mountain stuff.
Yeah.
Horses.
Well, yeah, and it's also it's a different theme. It's European themes, not just
Not jungle.
or the edge of Africa. Penguins.
We've been hiding in the station of Cheetah Hunt, waiting for this rain delay to finish. And the station just erupted with cheer. You know, I've never been to Florida in the rainy season, as I keep saying. But Lord have mercy, these delays.
It's only been like 4 of the 6 hours we've been here.
Yeah, it's just been thunder all day. But it's like, we're not even wet. It's like, shut them down, shut them down. Yeah, in the area. Cheetah Hunt at night was so good.
Real.
We only rode like 2 coasters today, but it's been a really nice, relaxing day. We're gonna ride Cobra's Curse because we have a quick queue to use. Let's get a night ride on Montu.
Ain't done that before, have you?
No, what? Like, why does it seem like we've never been here in the dark? Because we be tired. I did ride Alpengeist last week. I felt like it almost killed me, so we'll see if Montu almost rips my feet off.
Nail in the coffin.
Nail in the coffin. I'm getting old.
Or, I guess, seal on the sarcophagus.
I think we have just enough time to ride Cobra's Curse one time. And then we're going to ERT on Gwazi.
Yeah.
And then we end our evening with ERT on Iron Gwazi, courtesy of the Blusiast. So we're gathering here to meet up. And that's going to be it for me.
All right, well.
Y'all don't get to see this part. Have a good night.
Oh!